Welcome to RDO. I am Devender. In this video, we will discuss class 9th maths.
Now you can see here exercise 1.4 question number 8. See, find 64 whole power 1 by 6. First you can see here 64. Find the prime factorization of 64. So how can you write here? See here 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. Next here 2 1 is 2 6 is. You know that how to do in the. You have studied in the 8th class. 2 8 is 16. Here 2 4 is 8. Here 2 2 is 4. That means how many 2s are available? So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means second I see here answer you can write here 64 whole power 1 by 6 is equal 64 value is equal to how much? You can write here 64 is equal 2 power 6 or not. See 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means how many times repeated? 2 6 times. So that I am writing here 2 power 6. That means you can write here 2 power 6 whole power 1 by 6. But you have one formula, a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Yes or no? Using this formula, can I write here 2 power 6 into 1 by 6? 6 cancel. That means your answer is how much? 2 only. Very easiest one. See here 625 whole power 1 by 4. 625 whole power 1 by 4 means first you can find the prime factorization. See, this number will not be divisible by 2 and 3, so that I am going directly 5. 5 1 is 5, 12 means 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25. Next time you can take here 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25. Next time you can take here 5 5 is 25. That means can I write here 625 is equal to 5 power 4 or not? Yes. So that you can write here 625 whole power 1 by 4 is equal 625 is equal to how much? 5 power 4. That means here 5 power 4 whole by 1 by 4. Already in the previous problem I told that a to the power m whole power n is equal a to the power m into n. That means 4 into 1 by 4. 4 cancel, you will get how much? 5 is your answer. If you want you can write here a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power mn. This is the formulas we have to be remembered. Now you can see here another one problem, 243 whole power 2 by 5. That means you can see here 243 whole power 2 by 5. First you can find the prime factorization of 243. So here I am taking here 243. Is it divisible by 2? Not divisible. So that you can take here next number will be 3. That means 3 8 is 24, 3 1 is 3. Next time you can take here 3 2 is 6, 21 remainder. That means 3 7 is. Next year 3 9 is. Next year 3 3 is it okay? How many times repeated you can see here? 243 is equal to 3 power 1 2 3 4 5. That means how many times? 243 is equal to 3 power 5. That means can I write here 243 is equal to 3 power 5 whole power how much? 2 power 5. You know that already I told in the previous problem. What is that? A to the power m. Since here a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Yes or no? So that can I use here 3 power 5 into 2 by 5. 5 cancel, you know that. Here you will get here 3 square. 3 square value is how much? 9 is your answer. In this way you can do the remaining problems in the same bit. Now you can see here another problem. Exercise 1.4 question number 9. Simplify 4th root of 81 minus 8 into 3 root of 343 plus 15 into 5th root of 32 plus square root 225. First you can find the prime factorization of number C. You need to find 81, 343, 32 and 225. You know that how to find here. 81, 3 2 is 3 7 is 21 here, 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9. That means how many times 3 repeated here? See, you can see here 3 power 4. 81 can be written as 3 power 4. In the similar way you can see here 343 here. 7 4 is 28, remainder is 6 3. That means 63 means 7 9 is 63. Next year you can take 7 7 is 49. That means can you write here 343 as 7 cube? Yes or no? Yes. Next year you can see, you know that how to find 32 prime factorization and also 225. You know how to do just here. Very easiest one. Next year you can substitute the values here. 4th root of 81. That means here 4th root of 81 can be written as 3 power 4 or not? Yes, you can write here 3 power 4 minus 8 into 3 power C. 343 here. Cubic root of 343. 343 can be written as 7 power 3 or not? Yes. plus 15 into fifth root of 32 can be written as, see here how much value, just you can substitute only, very easiest problems here. Square root 225 can be written as here 5 square into 3 square. You can write here 5 square into 3 square here square root. But you know that, see here nth root a can be written as, you know that, see nth root a can be written as a to the power 1 by n. Yes or no? You have studied in the previous one. So that is here 4th root 3 power 4 can be written as 3 power 4 into 3 power 4 whole power 1 by 4 minus 8 into 7 power 3. This cubic root can be written as 1 by 3 plus here 15 into 2 power 5. This fifth root can be written as whole power 1 by 5. Let's see here 5 square into 3 square can be written as 5 3 is how much? 15 square. You can write here square, and also square root can be written as whole power 1 by 2. Is it okay? Next you can see here 3 power 4 whole power 4. That means here this 4 4 cancel here, 3 3 cancel here, 5 5 cancel here, 2 2 cancel. We can do directly cancellations here. 3 power 1 only minus 8 into, here how much left? You can see only 7. That means 8 into 7 plus here 15 into 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5 means 5 5 cancelled already. You know that only 2. Next here 15 square whole power 1 by 2, 2 to cancel. That means how much you left? Here we only 15. That means here 3 minus 8 7 how much? 56. 15 2 how much? 30 here plus 15. Just we can do calculations here. 13 plus 50, sorry, 13 plus 15 how much? 45. 45 plus 3 how much? 48. 48 minus 56 how much? You can write here 48 minus 56. You know that which is the biggest number? 56, having which symbol? Minus, so that you can write here minus. So now you can subtract smallest number from biggest number. That means 56 minus 48 how much? 8 only your answer. That means minus 8 is your answer. Now you can see here exercise 1.4 question number 11. Find the square root of 11 plus 2 root 30. Just you can see here how much it is value 30. How can you find 30? See here 30 factors. You can write here 1 into 30. Yes or no? 1 30 is 30. You know that 2 15 is 30. You know that 3 10 is 30. You know that 5 6 is 30. Is there any other factors? Not possible. Just you can see 30 plus 1 how much? 31. Are you getting 11? So don't take. 15 plus 2 how much? 17. Are you getting? Not possible. 10 plus 3 13. 13 here is equal to 11. Not possible. 5 plus 6 how much? 11. You know that 5 6 is 30. 5 plus 6 is 11. So you can take, it can be 11 can be written as 5 plus 6. So that only I am taking here. 11 can be written as 5 plus 6. Not I am taking any other. So that you can see here square root. We need to find how much. Square root means you can write here 11 plus 2 root 30. 11 plus 2 root 30 is equal, you know that's here 5 plus 6 plus 2 root 30 can be written as 5 6 is 30. Yes or no? See, I am writing the same equations here. 11 can be written as 5 plus 6. 30 can be written as root 5 into root 6. Root 5 into root 6 means 5 6 is 30. Yes or no? Yes. But you know that one formula is there. See here, square root a plus square root b whole square. Square root a plus square root b whole square is equal a
plus b plus 2 root ab.
See here, a plus b plus 2 root ab. This is using this formula. Once you can see here a plus b. See here, a plus b plus 2 root ab. 2 root ab. Once you can check in the a plus which number you have? 5. In the b plus which number you have? 6. That means can you write here
Root 5
plus root 6 whole square. You can write here root a plus root b whole square means root 5 plus root 6 whole square. That means here square root. Square root, square will be cancelled. That means your answer is how much? Root 5 plus root 6. This is your answer.
Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our class 9th maths playlist videos.